Jim, your car show guy. Today I'm in Remus, Michigan. We're at the Remus Heritage Day car show. It started out a little rough. We poured here for almost 45 minutes, downpoured. And we're gonna be walking around here showing the cars, but guys are still wiping them off. Windows probably aren't gonna be down, but just because of all the rain we got. Probably a little lower turnout this year than average because of the rain. So we're gonna walk around and show you what we got. There's still some nice cars here, even though with the rain. So I'm gonna quit talking, let's start walking. And as always, I've got one of my specialty songs to go with this show. So it's gonna be playing in the background as we're walking down the street showing you the cars. So if you ever want a specialty song for your car, for a show, personal birthday, something like that, get a hold of me, I can do that for you. All right, we just went through a massive rainstorm here. Wasn't any rain predicted, but you know, it's Michigan. So we're gonna be walking down the street here showing you all the cars. And everybody's out wiping them down right now because it's drenched out here. They got some loud music playing here, so I'm going to be turning over to my music for the rest of this walk.
Remus rolls, baby, hear that roll. Chrome all shining on the gravel floor. V8 rumble, shake the whole town away. Hot rods line up, make the blacktop shake. Windows down, let it breathe. Feel that groove cut through the trees. Get ready now, don't you stall. One little glance and you want it all. Roll down the windows, turn up the radio. Remus Heritage Days, let the whole world know. Chrome shining engines loud. Come on, get in the crowd. Roll down the windows, turn up the radio. Classic muscle with the wicked stance. Custom fins make the whole place dance. Vintage trucks in a candy coat. Little kids stare and the old folks boast. Car show guy in the mix, catching every shine, every slick little trick for the YouTube. Living right, saving all the action for new. Roll down the windows, turn up the radio. Remus Heritage Days, let the whole world know. Chrome shining engines loud. Come on, get in the crowd. Roll down the windows, turn up the radio.
The Car Show Guy, classic cars all night. Subscribe to the channel, like the video right.
Ring the bell, ring it now for future car show content.
The Car Show Guy.
66 Chevy Impala. Like I said, it's been raining, so the windows aren't going to be down. Everybody's out here wiping the cars down right now, but this is bucket seats, 4-speed on the floor. If the sun was shining, our paint job would probably be popping. This is a 1922 REO T6 Touring, 4-door. This come rolling into the show just before the rain started up, and it was running right down the street. Like, couldn't hear it running. The engine was running nice and quiet. Looks like it's completely original. Yep. And I don't know if you picked up on the wooden wheels. This is a 66 F100, and it's got quite a beast underneath the hood here. It's got a Whipple supercharger on it. Guys starting up their trucks after the rain, make sure you're going to start again. This is a beautiful paint job on this truck. And it's really well done. Total interior redone. Yeah, this is a nice truck. All right, what's a car show without a 55 Chevy? It's got bucket seats in it. Got a hearse shifter on the floor. Bright, kind of a reddish orange color. All right, I gotta redo this car. This is a 73 Duster. I did this a couple of weeks ago in Acosta, and I said it was a buddy of mine, Tony's, but it's actually his daughter Amy's car, and I'm correcting it now because I heard about it when I got here to the show, but that's okay. We're gonna get it right. So, nice purple Plymouth Duster. All right, everybody loves a rat rod. This is a 1929 Chevy. It's got a Buick nailhead engine underneath the hood, same one that's in my car. Owned by a buddy of mine, Ron. Rat rods are whatever you want them to be, that's for sure. And there's not much going on inside of here, but you know what? It goes down the show, and he enjoys taking it to the show. So, nice low profile. He's the same age as I am, and I don't know how he gets in this thing. It's just so low. This is a 52 Dodge Power Wagon, 4x4. All the spikes all over the place on this one. I've not seen this one. This is from a local guy here in Rodney, but I've not seen this at any shows. He's got a temporary plate on the back of this thing, so I'm guessing he just finished this up. But he did a good job. It's a nice looking truck. Okay, I gotta talk loud over top of this music. This is a 58 Chevy Impala, 2-door. This looks like American Graffiti to me. A little jacked up in the rear end like they used to do back in the 70s. Yep, kind of a silverish blue color. All right, somebody brought a boat to a car show. It's a 76 Eldorado, and this thing is long. That's a convertible. A really original form. All right, this is a 59 Chevy step side. Looks to me like it's got a big block underneath the hood, the size of those valve covers. Gonna walk around here, and he does have the windows down, so we can take a peek inside here. Automatic on the floor. Bucket seats. And we got a little meat on the bottom right there. Got a 1972 Ford 250. Nice, pretty blue and cream paint job on this truck. Engine looks pretty original underneath the hood there. And they got a tarp hanging over here to keep the bed dry. And let's see, oh, it's got a wood bed in the back. That's why they got a tarp over it. Makes sense. Let's see if we can peek inside and see what we got inside here. Full bench seat. Automatic on the column. 67 Camaro convertible. What a pretty blue car this one is. Looks like it's got a 350 underneath the hood. A lot of chrome underneath there. And got some nice wheels on the back all the way around, I guess. And again, this is a convertible. Nice interior, bucket seats, automatic on the floor. 55 Chevy, two-tone, kind of a green with a white top and trunk on it. This one looks fairly original. Couple caps. I mean, I think the paint's been redone, but the interior's still got the vinyl on the seats, automatic on the column. Yeah, nice, pretty car. 1950 Ford F-100, bright yellow. This looks like it's been chopped a little bit, probably about 4 inches off the roof. Got a homemade tailgate on the back of that with a wood floor. All right, this is my buddy Pinky's red 57 Chevy. He's got an LS underneath the hood. This one's, we go to a lot of car shows together, and Pinky's always a winner with this car, which is well deserved. And he posted the other day, he's coming up almost on 300 trophies in the last, I forget how many years, but 300 trophies for this car. Another buddy of mine, Paul's 69 Chevelle with a 396 underneath the hood. This is a beautiful black car, white interior. 4-speed on the floor.
My daddy served in the army.
The Car Show Guy, classic cars all night. Subscribe to the channel, like the video.